morning. So my name is Rajesh. So here we are in the fourth unit, Human Resource Information System. Okay. So what is Human Resource Information System? So we have so many kinds of definitions are given. So you can refer to any particular textbook. We have so many kinds of definitions are there. So I am going to tell one of that particular definition. Human Resource Information System HRIS is a composite of databases, computer applications, hardware and software. This is a combination of all the databases, computer applications, hardware and software that are used to collect, record, store, manage, deliver, present and manipulate the data of human resource. So this is the definition that is given by Broderick and Boudreau. So in the year 1992. Okay, so this is the human resource information system. The main goal of human resource information system is, so generally, as nowadays there is so many organizations, institutes, everything. There is small scale industry to big scale industries are there. These all industries is used to manage their employees. So the employees details will not be going to stored in using a paperwork. So the organizations needs certain softwares. Using that particular software only we can manipulate, manage and organize the employee details very high accurately. For that particular purpose, so the developers are developing different types of human resource information system management softwares. So that is what they are going to do. So what the use of HRIS software, human resource information system. So human resource information system is one of the important part in the daily life of any organization, because the main thing is HR, human resource manager, how to be manages the employee details and track the details. So day by day, okay, week by week and year by year, he is going to be retrieve the every details of a particular employee. So there in the previous lesson we already understand there are what is a database. So database is a collection of records. Our database is used to provide a collection of records into a single unit. So it is also consisting of collection of relations. Relations is nothing but the data tables. We already understand in the previous class regarding human resource information system. So we are going to understand a few points. So that is, it provides a centralized repository. So that means the human resource information system, what the software it is going to be provide the centralized repository. What is that? So there are various types, various things is there. There are various types of things are there. The employee details, the name, address and everything is going to be stored in a particular area. The area is nothing but the software. So any software is developed by a particular company or a particular organization that is dealt by HR. For any company there is a HR. He is going to be dealt with the software. This particular software is going to be store the details regarding the employee. So this is the software. So there is a backend database will be there. So the database is used to store the details, retrieve the details and manipulation of the details. So that's why I am also going to give the another point. The point is process and manages the employee details. Manages the employee details. Okay, any kind of details that is regarding an employee of a particular organization can be developed, can be managed and manipulated by the human resource manager through HRIS, that is human resource information system. Okay.